This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Caswell County, Rockingham County, Halifax County, Pittsylvania County, and the city of Danville, effective until 6:26 p.m.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, east central Watauga County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, northern Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from bottom to deep gap, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Course, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Wilkesboro, Ilkin, Wilkesboro, Fairview, Jonesville, Dodson, and Boonville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Person County, northern Granville County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Boston to near Ringgold, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roxborough, Concord, Stovall, Bethel Hill, Bushy Fork, Hyco Lake, Tungsten, Mayo Reservoir, Hyco Marina, and Searle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Torrential storms. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Granville and Person. 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alamance County, northern Orange County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yanceyville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Hillsborough, Mebane, Paw River, Lake Cabot Park and Marina, Carr, Altamont, Ossipee, Glen Raven, Union Ridge, and Altamaha. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Alamance, and Orange.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County, Forsyth County, and Guilford County, effective until 6:45 p.m.
When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs of showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Skies in the lower 90s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. 60%.
A flash flood warning has been issued for Forsyth County, effective until 9:28 p.m.
Lows in the mid-70s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. 60%.
Su belleza.
This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Hope, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Gwinnett, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Raleigh and vicinity.
Called Art Sugar. Everything here is just part of an exclusive curated.
The new law firm.
The North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed the system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Y con ustedes, nuevamente.
$100 off every window.
The price of everything is going up right now, but you're saying if somebody calls in right now, they can lock in that price and get
Important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Flash flooding. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Wake County, northeastern Johnston County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clayton, or 13 miles southeast of Raleigh, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Clayton, Cleveland, Knightdale, Selma, Wendell, Emmett, Flowers, and Buckhorn Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Johnston, and Wake.
$4. He hit this white green swirl.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Chatham County, southern Durham County, southeastern Orange County, central Wake County until 10 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Wake Forest, Carrboro, Zebulon, RDU International, Morrisville, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, William B. Umstead State Park, Falls Lake Boat Ramp, Rollingview Marina, Research Triangle, Falls Lake State Rec Area, Bethesda, and Gorman. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, Durham, Orange, and Wake.
By Cheerwine. All summer long, G105 has the tickets, prizes, trips, and events.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Durham County, central Wake County until 8 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Highway 70 and Glenwood Avenue between RDU and Raleigh will have flooding. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, RDU International, Morrisville, Knightdale, and William B. Umstead State Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Durham, and Wake.
Find this unusual keystone cuts in Egypt, in Greece. This is the Giza Temple. Okay, there at Giza and the Sphinx Temple. You're also going to find these at Borobudur in Java,